The distance between you and your next great investment just got shorter. We proudly present the new and improved Angel Broking app. The app is redesigned with all new powerful features. The user interface has been made even simpler, cutting down the time and energy it takes you to find a profitable investment. The watch list lets you catch all the action on the stocks you are interested in. LTP, that is the last traded price, is shown on the right. It shows you whether a stock has gained or lost value. The last traded price is a good starting point, but we know our savvy customers like to absorb a lot more data. Therefore, every stock's historical movement can be found in the charts. Select the time frame you want and the data will instantly come up. Further, options traders can use the option chains to compare the strike prices of put options or call options. When a profitable trade opens up, nothing will stand between you and your profits. Angel Broking's quick buy or sell feature executes your trade very quickly and helps you capitalize on every opportunity. The Research tab is for short-term and long-term investors with busy and active lives. It shows ready-made trades with the ideal price to buy and the ideal price to sell. You can also see how long the recommendation is valid for. Over 100,000 hits on our custom recommendations every day, and this number grows every day. To give you deeper insights faster, Angel Broking shows a single-click overview of the stocks you are interested in. You can see the short-term and long-term trends for the stock. Under technicals, the short-term trends are further broken down into daily, weekly, and monthly. You can check if the outlook for a script is bullish, bearish, or neutral. You can also click on your preferred timeline and check the moving averages and technical indicators. Derivatives tab show you a quick snapshot of futures and options data based on open interest and price movements. The Fundamentals tab bring under one page the business quality, valuation, and long-term revenue trends of the script. And that's not all. The user can also check the important ratios and the shareholding patterns associated with the stock. So, no more jumping around on the internet. Angel Broking has figured out what data points are relevant to the investors and put them all in the same place. In 2019, NSE executed more derivative trades than any other index in the world. The Angel Broking app gives you the latest updates in the F&O, that is, the future and option market. You can see the biggest gainers and losers at a glance based on price and open interest. The F&O dashboard gives the customers a single view on which scripts are doing well and which scripts are failing to take an informed decision on the markets. The Angel Broking app has ARQ, a rule-based investment engine which recommends positions that perfectly suit your budget and your investment style. You just have to pick the number of stocks you want to invest in, your financial goals, and your budget. Our ARQ algorithms will analyze the data in the background to give you positions that are perfect for you. With the Angel Broking app, you no longer have to keep your eye on the market because we do it for you. You can set price alerts on your app, and when the script price reaches the set price, you will be the first to know. We can go on, but it's better when you see the results for yourself. So download the latest Angel Broking app and start growing your wealth today.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.